Welcome to the land of fire and ice, Iceland. Experience the raw, untamed beauty of this Nordic island through stunning drone footage. Discover the dramatic Reynisfjara black sand beach, where volcanic sands meet the roaring Atlantic waves. Marvel at the majestic Skógafoss Waterfall, one of Iceland's most iconic and powerful waterfalls. Glide over the stunning Glacier Lagoons, where icebergs drift serenely through the crystal-clear waters. Explore the otherworldly volcanic landscapes and craters that define Iceland's unique geology. Experience the magic of Iceland's midnight sun and the enchanting northern lights dancing across the night sky. From rugged coastlines to majestic waterfalls and glacial wonders, Iceland's diverse scenery is truly a feast for the eyes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible travel videos.